click on the link on my TikTok profile. Once you are on my profile, this is my profile right here on TikTok. Tap on this link, and on the newly open page, you will see the Telegram tab. That is the step 2 trading setup Telegram. Tap on that tab to join my Telegram group. Right? You can do that right now. Okay, thank you. And that's where you guys can join us from our YouTube channel. So I'm gonna forward this link right now to YouTube for traders who want to join us on YouTube. You guys can join us from our YouTube channel. Okay, if you prefer a high definition view of this live stream, all you need to do right now is to check our YouTube channel. So you can get access to my YouTube channel in the Telegram group. All right, I have the Telegram group. The link is in the Telegram group. So tap on the link in the Telegram group to get access to this live stream. Right, so we are live right now. We are live right now on YouTube. Thank you everyone. Thank you YouTube family. Thank you all. Thank you everyone. Now guys, you know how we do things right here, how we do the market, how we do the things right here. We always make a suggestion of asset we want to analyze, the asset you have on your list. This could be asset you are looking out for trade opportunity, or maybe any asset you need analysis. Maybe you are confused on a particular asset and you want enlightenment on that asset. So all you need to do is to suggest that assets, and then we go through them, we analyze them all together. Right, so start dropping your suggestion right now. Start dropping your suggestion. If you are watching from YouTube, you are welcome. Make sure you tap on the like button, share the live stream, and then make a suggestion. Use the links in the description of this video to get access to our Telegram group. Right, this is a Monday, beautiful Monday, 18th of December 2023. Right, Viswes, thank you Viswes. So thank you Viswes from YouTube, you are welcome. Yeah, it's good to see you once here again, Viswes. Good to see you here. Right, okay, so guys, make a suggestion. Suggest any asset you want us to look, any asset you want us to go through. Make a suggestion, drop your suggestion. So guys, I told you about my view on the British pound sterling paired against the Canadian dollar. I told you guys I want to look out for a pullback. I'm still expecting a pullback, but Sims price is not giving us a pullback. Sims price is just breaking all the way down. Well, my decision still remains active. I want to see a pullback. I don't want to jump in at this extreme low. If I'm going to be jumping in right here now, you know, I'm going to be shorting too low. I don't want to short too low. I want to look out for a better price offer. So I'm not a fan of shorting too low. So this is why I'm not going to shorting too low. So I want to look out for a pullback. If I can't see a pullback, I'll let this market to go. So that is one of the ways you can, you know, be disciplined as a trader. Okay, you have to let go. So let's hope price can give us a pullback. If we can't see the pullback, then good. Right, so guys, drop your suggestion. Right, drop your suggestion. If you are joining us right here today, you are welcome to our YouTube channel. You are welcome to our TikTok profile. Make sure you join us, and then drop your suggestion. Right, drop your suggestion of any asset you want us to analyze in this live stream. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, right, okay, let's go. Right, okay, so this is what we have right here. So suggest any asset you want us to analyze. Okay, make a suggestion. Drop your suggestion. Right, drop your suggestion. Make a suggestion of any asset you want us to analyze in this live stream. Right, start dropping your suggestion. Drop your suggestion through the comment box. Okay, right, okay, let's go guys. Let's go, guys. Start dropping your suggestions. Okay, we have Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100 from, that is a request by Visues. Visues, that is on Nasdaq 100. Visues, please, Visues, says your country. Visues, your country. Your country. We have Nasdaq by Visues. Okay, we have Nasdaq by Visues. Visues, your country. Your country, right? So that other traders can know where you are streaming from, right? Okay, so we have Nasdaq. Let's make more suggestion. Okay, Visues is a trader from Kenya, right? Thank you, from Kenya. Okay, we have Samuel from Nigeria. Samuel, you are welcome from Nigeria. You can make a suggestion. You can make a request of any asset you want us to analyze. Make a suggestion. Drop your suggestion. Drop your suggestion. Drop your suggestion. Right, guys? Drop your suggestion. Let's go. 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 Drop your suggestion. Drop your suggestion. Yes, drop your suggestion, guys. Drop your suggestion, guys. Drop your suggestion. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Drop your suggestion. Start dropping your just suggestion. Okay, we have British pound sterling paired against the USD by Sammy. GBP USD and the USD card by Sammy. Sammy is from Nigeria. Okay. And we have Euro New Zealand. Please, NEP, tag your country. NEP, please, where are you streaming from? Where is your country? Where are you streaming from? Where are you streaming from? Your country? Your country. So currently right now we have Nasdaq 100. We have British pound sterling paired against the USD. We have USD Canada. And we have Euro New Zealand by NEPT from Botswana. Botswana. Okay, thank you for joining us right here. So we have Nasdaq, British pound sterling, USD Canada, and the Euro New Zealand. That is the 4 assets. We currently have 4 assets right now. So guys, let's make it 10 assets. Let's make it 10 assets. Let's make it 10 assets so we can start this live stream. Let's make it 10 assets, 10 assets, 10 different currency pairs. 10 assets could be stocks, cryptocurrency, foreign exchange, index market, commodities, right? Make your suggestion, right? Start dropping your suggestion, start dropping your suggestion, start dropping your suggestion. Okay, guys, start dropping your suggestion. Let's go, 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 let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, we have gold by Sammy. Okay, we have gold. We have gold XAU USD by Sammy, right? Okay, we have 5 right now. We are good to go. Since we have 5 right now, we are good to go. Okay, guys. So let's go through the market. Let's start with the Nasdaq. The first asset being suggested from YouTube is Nasdaq, and that was from Visues from Kenya, a trader in Kenya. So let's go through what we have on Nasdaq. Let's go through Nasdaq, right? You guys know the first thing we have to do is we have to open our chart from the higher time frame, right? So let's see what we have right here. Let's see from the weekly chart. Let's see from the weekly chart. So this is what I have on the weekly chart. I gave this analysis yesterday in the live stream which we held on this platform yesterday, and I told you guys, I said no, we have a key level structure which acts at the price of the 16,665. We have a key level structure right here. We have a key level structure right here. Okay, so here we go. We add a resistance structure right here. We got to change this color right here to black. We have a resistance structure right here. Can see that? This is a resistance structure for price. This resistance structure was erected, that was on the 29th of November 2021. So this is a multi-year key level structure. This is a multi-year key level structure. So for those of you who want to long to this structure right here, you have to be very, very careful. You have to be careful of what you want to do right here, because you're trying to long into resistance structure, and which you should never do that. You should never do that. So let's check on the day chart. On the day chart, price is currently at the resistance structure. So currently right now, we can see multiple overlap, that is overlapping of candlestick right here at the resistance structure of the 16,666. So this level is currently giving us a technical reason that this level might be a resistance structure for price, but no one can really tell right now. Okay, not until we can see a chart bearish, rejection, or a formation of technical, bearish, interest right here, which is currently still going on in the market right here, right? So we are currently having potential, entrances right here, which is a early signal of a potential resistance structure right here. So for those of you who want to keep on riding this trend up, you got to be very, very careful. You got to be very careful, because if you want to be longing right here, if you want to be executing a long entry right here, it means you are trying to long to resistance structure. Please do me a favor. If you are new to the channel, if you are new to my YouTube channel, if you are new to my TikTok profile, please kindly subscribe and follow my profile right now. If you are new to the YouTube channel, please subscribe. Tap on the subscription button. If you are new to my TikTok profile, please kindly tap on the follow button. Thank you guys for doing that. All right. So based on the 4-hour chart, this is what we have. Since the 4-hour chart is trying to carve like a double top, but we can't really tell right now. Maybe this is going to be a double top, or maybe this is going to be a ranging medium right here, right? We can't really say right now. Anyways, we can see the first rejection right here, and there is a potential second rejection right here. Okay, so this might be a double top for the reversal of the trend to the next key level, to the previous key level structure, right? So we could have a pullback of price right from this zone right all the way down, clear this neckline, a pullback all the way down. So this is what I can see on the Nasdaq 100 right here, based on the 4-hour chart, and based on the day chart is what I can see. Based on the weekly chart, price is currently at a resistance structure. So currently right now, I'm just patiently waiting to see what price is going to do right here at the resistance structure right here. In summary, I am not going to be looking out for a long entry at resistance. At resistance, you should be looking out maybe for a breakout, or maybe a pullback to a bearish swing. But based on what I can see right here now, I'm not going to be looking out for a breakout trading strategy right here, right? So this market structure, we still need this market structure to go through a ranging medium. Even if you want to take a breakout trading strategy right here, you still need a medium of like an accumulation phase right here before you look for a breakout, just like what we had right here. You can see right here, after the market rallied up, that was a state of a consolidation phase right here. This was a more accumulation right here, whereby the market build up more bullish momentum for the continuation of the rally. So if you want to be looking out for a breakout strategy right there, then you have to look out for accumulation phase right here, and then for the breakout for the continuation. All right. So this is what I can see. But based on what I can see right here, this level is a strong technical zone. It's a strong technical resistance zone. This has been in play right from November 2021, and that is a multi-year key level structure. You can see that this is the peak, the highest peak, the peak of Nasdaq 100 in historical price action. You can see that. And as well, target to this structure right here, or this structure right here, which is almost still okay. So this is the highest peak of Nasdaq in historical price action, and then this could give us a double top, a major big double top. You can see that this could be a double top all the way down. No one can really tell. Okay, anyways, let's check out what we have. We can apply our trend line right from the last swing higher low right all the way down. We seem to have a price respecting our bull trend line. You can see that. So this is what we have on the weekly chart. This is what we have on the weekly chart based on the construction of our trend line. This is based on the major trend line right from the swing low we got right here, which was a double bottom. We got a T1 right, we got a B1 right here. We got a B1 right here, which is the bottom 1. And we got a B2 right here, which is the bottom 2. Before price gravitated all the way up, we got a swing right here as a higher low swing. price could give us a pullback right here as a what? Higher low swing, maybe for the continuation of the breakout. So what I'm going to be doing right here now, if I'm going to be looking out for a trade entry based on the Nasdaq 100, I want to be looking out maybe for a possible bearish setup right here for a pullback, maybe to the test of this trend line. And I take note, we had the first test of this trend line right here. That was in, let's check it out. That was on the 2nd of January 2023. We were able to connect our trend line to the second touch right here. This was on the 13th of March 2023. And the right here, we got it on the 23rd of October 2023. So we already had the confirmation of this trend line. Take note, it takes 2 points to confirm to draw a trend line, but it takes 3 points to confirm a trend line. You see that? This was the first test. We got a second test right here, and we got a third test of the confirmation test right here. So we could be looking out for a pullback right here for another maybe fourth test for the continuation of the rally upward. Okay, so I'm looking out for a rejection right here. If you can see a rejection technical signal bar right here, this could be a short pullback, right? So just like what we had right here, could have another leg right here. So let's apply our Fibonacci retracement tool right from the swing higher low right here to this structure. If this structure could give us a resistance structure, so a pullback all the way down, we could be looking out for 50% Fibonacci retracement level, which aligns to the trend line structure right here for the continuation of the rally. Okay, so that is my technical views on Nasdaq 100. So I'm analyzing this market based on the long-term objective goals, right? I'm checking this based on the long-term objective goals. So this is my view on the Nasdaq 100. Okay, from the day chart, this is what I can see right here. Looking out for possible short entry. This is what we have on the 4-hour chart. Okay, so if you're a short-term trader, could be looking out to play this pattern right here. A breakout of this pattern. If you can see a retest, a sharp rejection, this could be to this structural formation of the 16,100 level. So that is what we have on Nasdaq. Okay, and next we have the British pound sterling paired against the USD. Okay, so let's check it out. British pound sterling paired against the USD, we have to move our chart right here. So this is what we have on the British pound sterling paired against the USD. This is what we have right here. So I analyzed this rally yesterday, and I told you guys yesterday we have a trend line structure. Okay, so we are still looking out for how price is going to react with this trend line. We got a first test right here. See, this is a test 1. We got a test 1 right here. We got a test 2 right here. We got a test 3 right here. This was a multiple bottoms right here. Okay, and the price could test this level right here, maybe for the continuation of the rally. So I told you guys yesterday, I said I'm currently monitoring this reaction right here, this zone right here. That is the cycle level of the 1.26000. So I want to see how price is going to react to the price actions at this zone right here. Okay, so this is a point of interest for me. All right, so if you are a trader in the British pound sterling USD currency pairs, the next zone you should be looking out for is around this level right here, because we have a psychological level of the 1.26000, which could give us a confidence zone based on the trend line we got right here. This could be a fourth test of this trend line. And then we got a minor key level structure which acts at this price level right here, which is aligned to this 1.2006 psychological level. All right, so this is what I can see right here. Okay, so I'm currently monitoring that, and based on the 4-hour chart, this is what we have on the 4-hour chart. We're looking out for a pullback, and as I told you guys yesterday, how I apply my Fibonacci retracement tool from the last higher low swing all the way to this higher high swing. You can see that this is on the 4-hour chart, and then based on the 4-hour chart, this is what I had from this higher low swing right here to the higher high swing right here. Okay, let's get this off. Right, so got a higher high, we got a higher low swing right here, we got a double bottom right here, this was a low, we got a higher high right here. So this is a bull rally, higher high right here as a double top, a pullback. So let's hope for a pullback before we anticipate for a bullish rally. So in summary, I want to be looking out to see how price is going to react to the Fibonacci retracement tool of the 0.618, just like what I got right here. You can see this Fibonacci retracement level right here, which also aligns to like the 1.2600 psychological level. So let's hope price is going to find a rejection right here for the continuation of the bull rally. So this is what I have on British pound sterling paired against the USD. I gave this analysis yesterday in the live stream, right? And we have the USD Canada. USD Canada, let's go through what we have on the USD Canada currency pairs. This is the chart of the USD Canada. So for those of you guys who are a trader on this asset, now let's check on the weekly chart. So based on what we have on the weekly chart of the USD Canada, let's clear off this chart right there and try to construct a new clean chart, right? So this is what we have on the weekly chart of the USD paired against the Canadian dollar. So I'm going to start marking this key level structure right now. So we have the peak resistance at the price of the 1.38962. We have a major turning swing low at the price of the 1.30965. And we have another key level structure at the price of the 1.33100. Got that? And then we have another structure right here. We can tag the structure right here, but let's check out what we have on the day chart. So based on the day chart, this is what we have on the day chart. Okay, we have a minor key level structure, a major key level structure, as we can target as a minor key level structure. That is at the price of the 1.33876, right? Seems that is right here. Okay, so price currently trading at the major key level structure right here, which was a support. We got this support structure right here, support right here, and the resistance right here, which was a neckline of this double bottom. You can see, got it as a resistance right here. We got it as a support right here. So this level right here, let's see, price could find a pullback up or maybe a break to the downside. So in summary, I'm still monitoring the USD Canada, and as well I have a rising trend line right from the last higher low swing right here. I construct it all the way back, you can see that, and then I extended this trend line all the way forward. So you can see we have a lot of confluence factors right here. So based on what I have right here, you can see we have a multiple test right here. We got a swing low right here. First test, we constructed it right here. The second test right here. We got a third test right here. We got a fourth test right here. So this level could give us a fifth test, right? So we could see a pullback up. Anyways, price could as well break down right here. Price could break out of this pattern right here. So what I'm going to be looking out for right now, I want to see how price is going to react to this rising trend line from the weekly chart. So this is a multi-year major trend line, which had been in play right from the 17th of May 2021, right from this swing low right here. This trend line have been holding up price. So based on what we have on the day chart, this is what we have on the day chart. So for those of you who want to chart right there, you can see right now it's not a nice technical zone for you to chart, because if you are actually charting into a lot of hindrances right here, we have a dynamic support structure right there, which is a trend line. We have a horizontal key level structure, which is a support right here. So at this zone right here, it's not a good zone for you to chart, right? It's not a good zone for you to chart. Alternatively, the best thing you should be looking out for right here is maybe you can see a pullback to test this low high swing right here, this lower low right here, before we ride all the trend all the way down. So this is what I'm going to be doing right here. I'm going to patiently wait to see how price is going to react to this structural formation right here. So that is my view. That is what I'm looking at for right here. And based on the 4-hour chart, we have another trend line based on the 4-hour chart. Right from the swing right here, we are able to catch it all the way up. You can see that we have our trend line all the way down. So we try to capture the flow of trend all the way down. You can see right from the swing low right here, we got a pullback all the way down, pullback all the way down. So we could have a pullback before the trend continues downward. So this is what I'm going to be doing right here. This is what I'm looking out for. I want to see how price is going to react to this low high swing structure right here after a pullback. Okay, just like what we had right here, a pullback. Can see that. So I'm going to be looking out for a pullback. So based on what I can see right here, let's hope price is going to find a minor rejection from the support structure right here. And if you can have that, one of the tools we can apply to look out for a retracement entries are Fibonacci retracement tool. So which is going to be right from the swing low high right all the way to the lower low swing right here. And then if you can see a pullback all the way up to the 0.618 golden rule number, or the 0.5, this is going to be a nice entry zone for us to continue the downtrend, right? So based on what we have right here, we could have a confidence factor right here, a test of the trend line, and a test of the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement tool. And then as well, we are trying to follow the momentum of the trend, right? So this is how I'm going to be looking out to approach the USD paired against the Canadian dollar. right? And right, so this is what I have on the price chart of USD paired against the Canadian dollars, right? So guys, can let me know in the comment section what are your views, in this asset. Do you have any other view? Can let me know through the comment box. Okay, so this is what we have right here. This is what we have. Let's hope for a pullback all the way up to the test of this structural formation right here, and it is 0.618 as well to the trend line structure right here. Okay, because we can't pay for a downtrend. So that is what I have on USD paired against the Canadian dollar. Right, now let's check on Euro paired against the New Zealand. Euro paired against the New Zealand. Let's go right here. Euro paired against the New Zealand. Let's go. What do we have on Euro paired against the New Zealand? Euro paired against the New Zealand. This is what we have. So first thing we're gonna do is we move to the weekly chart. So that is the first thing we want to do right here. We move our chart to the weekly chart. Okay. So here comes the weekly chart of the Euro paired against the New Zealand. So let's mark our key level structures on this price chart right here. We have, let's clear off this right here, and let's try to mark this key level structure once again. We have the major turning point right here. And we have a key level structure right here. Okay, that is good. These are the major structure we have right here. Okay, so we have a turning point right here as well, low high swings, and then based on the day chart we have a key level structure right here, which was the neckline. So this is what we have on the price chart of the Euro paired against the New Zealand. So if you are a trader trading this asset, you could check out this price, and or maybe alternatively you could screenshot this chart and use this to correct your personal chart, right? Use this to correct your personal chart if you are a trader. Okay, so this is what we have right here. Okay, we have these structural formations. This is what we have on the day chart. So currently price is at the support structure right here at the price of the 1.75094. Can see that, and you can see this level has been acting as a support for price. Price has been struggling to break this level. So, but based on what I can see right here, price could give us maybe like a double bottom. If price can give us a double bottom, this could be a retest to this structural formation right here. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to look out for on this asset right here. I'm going to be looking out for a retracement of the rally from this structural formation of this double top. We have a T1 right here. We got a T2 right here. We got a flow of bearish momentum. I want to see a pullback right here before I look out for a continuation of the downtrend. So this, I'm going to be approaching this asset right here based on the T1 we got right here, top one. And then right here we got our T2 right here. We got a neckline structure which has been broken right here through a nice volume or movement of bearish candlestick right here. So let's hope for a pullback with this structural formation right here. So let's apply our Fibonacci retracement to see how we're gonna look for a retracement on this asset right here. So I apply my Fibonacci retracement tool from the T2 right here, that is the top two right here, all the way to the swing low right here. So if I'm gonna be looking out for a pullback, so the pullback, if the pullback can make a retracement to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level or the 0.618, this would be nice for continuation of this downtrend rally. So this is my view on the Euro paired against the New Zealand. This is how I'm going to be looking at to approach this asset right here, a pullback right here, all the way down. So I am not interested to trade the bull entry right here. Anyways, this could offer us a double bottom right here for the continuation right here, but I'm not going to be interested to trade this double bottom right here based on the strong bearish momentum I can see in this no flow all the way down. Likewise, based on the double top we got right here, so there's a lot of bearish sentiment right here all the way down as well. If I'm going to be taking a double bottom right here, this is the neckline of this pattern right here. This could be the neckline of this pattern right here. You can see this is the first bottom right here. This is the neckline, a double bottom right here. So it means price have to clear this neckline before I can split up. So if I'm going to be looking out for an entry right here based on the neckline structure right here, the risk to reward ratio is not favorable. The risk is kind of higher than the take profit. So that's my view on the Euro paired against the New Zealand. All right. So let's check out gold. Let's check out gold and the gold. Let's check out gold. XAU paired against the USD. It's what we have right here. Based on what we have on gold, I'm still looking out for a pullback. I'm still waiting patiently for a pullback to the 0.618. Still waiting for a pullback to the 0.618. Maybe we're gonna find a strong bearish technical reason to go short. All right. So that is my view. I gave this analysis yesterday in the live stream. Still waiting for a pullback to the 0.618 and the major resistance structure, which acts at the price of the 2066.861. So this is what I have on gold. Based on what I have on the weekly chart, the weekly chart is giving us a strong, bearish technical signal right here, and there's a resistance structure above, right? So a lot of traders might have been looking out to long right here, but I'm not interested to long this pattern right here. I'm not interested to long this pattern right here. I'm not interested to long this pattern, right? So I'm hoping price gonna give us a retest right here, which is a strong technical short entry signal to continue the trend all the way down, right? But anyways, we still have a bullish market structure right here. Based on what we have right here, we have a higher low swing. We got a higher low swing right here. So there's a tendency for the bull rally to continue all the way up. But I am not interested based on the pattern I have right here. I'm not interested right here. I'm not interested to look out for a long entry. I am interested based on the bearish sentiment we got right here. Based on this strong bearish reversal candlestick, which acts as the resistance structure right here. Okay, so that is my view on gold. We have the New Zealand paired against the Canadian dollar, New Zealand USD, New Zealand USD, and the New Zealand Canada. Let's go to the chart of New Zealand paired against the USD. Let's see what we have right here. New Zealand paired against the USD. So based on what we have on New Zealand paired against the USD, this is what I have on my price chart. Based on what I have on my price chart, this is what I have. You can see we have a sloping channel. Right from this structure formation, we got a sloping channel. You can see the sloping channel all the way down. So price is still under the influence of this sloping channel all the way down. Okay. So I am still monitoring price to see how it reacts at this structural formation right here. I haven't yet seen a breakout structure right here. I haven't seen a breakout right here. This, to me, this is like kind of a choppy market. I don't like this kind of setup we got right here. I don't like this sort of setup we got right here. I'm not comfortable with setup right here. So for you who want to look out for trade or entry on New Zealand paired against the USD, based on this market formation right here, I'm not comfortable right here. I don't like this kind of pattern setup right here. Okay, but anyways, I'm still monitoring this market right here. I can see a nice, well-structured volume. I can see a decent, price action zone right here. This is like kind of a choppy market to me. Okay, so I don't trade this type of market, right? I don't like this kind of a market, movement on the New Zealand paired against the USD. So I'm not interested in New Zealand paired against the USD. But based on what I can see, there's a lot of bullish, sentiment building up. But I don't like the kind of bullish momentum right here. It's kind of very weak for me, and it's kind of very choppy for me. All right. So let's check out New Zealand paired against the Canadian dollars. New Zealand paired against the Canadian dollars. Let's check it out right here. This is what we have from the weekly chart. Still waiting for a pullback all the way down. Let's hope we're gonna find a pullback to the neckline structure. That is the neckline broken right here. We have the neckline, we have the first bottom right here, T1. I mean, this is bottom 1 right here. We got a bottom 2 right here. Let's hope for a pullback before we continue the trend all the way up. So if I'm going to be looking out for a pullback, we apply our Fibonacci retracement tool right from the swing low right here all the way to the up right here. So we're going to be looking out for a pullback to the 0.5 or the 0.618, right, before we continue the rally up trend. Okay, so that's my view on the New Zealand paired against the Canadian dollars, right? So guys, our time is up. So today, Monday, I'm not yet doing anything. I'm just monitoring the market, just observing the market, checking what is going on in the market. On Monday, we observe the market. We look out for sentiment, and then we look out for upcoming fundamental factors, and then we try to cross-check the market to our trading plans and rules. So I already have a trading plans this week. I have a plans, rules, how I'm going to approach the market. So I'm trying to work in line with my plans, right, guys? So currently right now, I haven't seen any trade setup, whatever I want to do in the market. I'm going to share it in my Telegram group. So if you are yet to join the Telegram group, make sure you use the link on my TikTok profile. Alternatively, you could check the link on my YouTube channel, link in the description of this live stream on YouTube. Right? Thank you, guys. So we are done for today. And let's check the cryptocurrency market. I told you guys yesterday the cryptocurrency market. For those who want to jump in, yesterday, and those who want to jump in, I told you guys yesterday, I don't want to jump in high, and we can see price currently making a pullback down. Likewise on Ethereum, price is pulling back to the key level structure right here. I told you guys there is a possible double top and the failure for the support of the 2,139 to defend price today. If the price can ensure a strong very close of price below this key level structure right here, this signifies a more downtrend to come on Ethereum, right? So that is what I have. Okay, so the cryptocurrency market right now is experiencing a major pull down. You can see that we're having a pull down in the market. So that is what we are. We're having a major pull down in the market. You can see that all the crypto market is currently down. So that is what we have right now. It's a pullback, it's a retracement. So for those who have jumped in at the market, who have jumped in at the top right now, they are currently going through a retracement. So that's why I always emphasize on looking out for a retracement, because you make a long entry. If you want to make a short entry, look out for retracement in the market. Don't just jump into the market. As well, based on Dogecoin, I can see a potential pullback right now. You can see the pullback of price to the rising trend line. So let's hope this trend line is going to act as a confirmation of the third test of the trend line on this asset. All right, so if you're interested in more cryptocurrencies analysis, make sure you join my Telegram group. Right, thank you. So we're gonna be right here 12 p.m. GMT +1 tomorrow, and then on Tuesday we're gonna be right here 9 p.m. GMT +1 on YouTube and on TikTok. Thank you guys, and you have a wonderful day ahead. Peace.